Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 4 of the vlog. It is Tuesday. It's already 11 o'clock. We woke up late. So we're actually like just now heading to breakfast. So we just got to our breakfast place and it's called, is it La Brea or La Brea?
La Brea Bakery. La
Brea Bakery. Oh, it's really dark. So by the window. It's really cute in here. And then coming home with Mom. Have you been here before?
I have, but I haven't had their breakfast here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm in the mood for, but I am really hungry. This looks so good. So good. Sam got a croissant breakfast sandwich and I got the ricotta, lemon ricotta pancakes or something like that. So this looks so good. I hate us. The first thing we do when we get our food is just like take pictures. Every time, just take pictures. So we just finished up at breakfast and it was really, really good. I would highly recommend this place. And also the one thing that I kept saying to Sam is that like they have really good customer service too. Like everyone there was really, really nice to us. And to me, like that just makes such a big difference. So breakfast was really good and we're actually gonna go try to see a psychic right now. There is a girl that Sam went to a few months ago. So we're gonna see if she's there today so I can go to like the same one. I just think that would be really cool, but I am very, very curious just because of obviously like everything that I've gone through and with Ryan, like, I don't know, I just feel like there's a lot of stuff that she could say. And I've never done any type of like psychic or palm reading or anything before. So I think that this is going to be a very cool experience. So I'm hoping I don't think, do you think she's gonna let me vlog?
No, not during it.
I'm gonna ask her.
I don't think she will. You can vlog after.
Yeah.
That really messes up the energy.
Vlogging.
Well,
sticking a camera in her face.
She wouldn't like it.
Well, I'm at least gonna ask her. But if we do end up going, I really hope that she's there. We're gonna try to go, and if she's there and I get the psychic reading, whatever, like what is it called?
Yeah, psychic reading.
It's just a reading. I'll let you guys know what she says. All right, guys, so I just saw the psychic and like honestly, I'm kind of underwhelmed with what she said. I don't know if I was expecting her to just be like very straightforward about things and say like, oh, like someone died, oh, like this, that, and the other thing, and just like know things about my life. I don't know, but the one thing that she did say is that, oh, I don't think I even told you this yet. She told me that I need to stay in school. And like, that's the one thing that I've been going back and forth about a lot recently. She said that like, I'm very creative and that I have, like I'm a leader and that I have a lot of creativity and everything and I have the mindset for business, which is what I'm majoring in. But she said that I need to stay in school. She also said something about San Francisco. She said that not now, but in the future, she said that like San Francisco is going to be a like important place for me. And when Sam went to see her, like before we went to New York, she made a comment about New York, and at that point, like we had already planned our trip and everything, and like she knew about it. So I don't know. I don't know. She also kept saying that like she just didn't think that I was ready. Like I don't know. I'm honestly like underwhelmed though. I was really expecting her to say like something about Ryan, like very straightforward about him. But I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. Do you think we should do the tarot card things? What are those?
I don't know what those are. I've never done them.
I don't know. I kind of want to try like someone else and compare. But I did it. I did it. We did it. Hooray.
Yeah, no.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. I just don't know. So we came back to the Thirst Project office, and on our way here, is it called Milk Jar?
Yeah, Milk Jar. Okay,
we stopped at Milk Jar to get cookies, and the store's actually closed right now because they had a water line break. You wanna be in my vlog?
What up?
Anyway, so they were selling them outside and I'm gonna do a taste test because Sam's been talking about it the whole time we've been here. Here, I'm gonna move the chair onto that side.
What time are you leaving?
Probably whatever you guys need. I'll tell you.
Probably not.
Dude, we just saw Gina.
So I'm like, no.
And they're not, well.
Alright. Let's try. Oh wait, that one's mine. So I got peanut butter chocolate. What'd you get?
White macadamia.
Ew. Why would you get that?
I'll load me some white macadamia nuts.
I just love nuts.
Is that the coffee you usually get?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. I was wondering why you ordered coffee because we just got breakfast.
Yeah, I texted mine and said if you want anything.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I guess you've had it before, so should I just take a bite?
Yeah, yeah. Do you want the milk?
Mm-mm.
Ah!
No.
Wait, what do you mean? I thought you were gonna do a taste test of both of them.
No, I don't want yours.
Well.
Move over this way. I should show them everyone that signed the wall.
Only the cool people.
I signed the wall.
So
I guess I'm a cool person.
only the cool people.
How many YouTubers have signed it? I know Nash. Well, he's more.
Would you consider King Batch a YouTuber?
I don't know who that is.
He's more of a viner. Laura Morano's more of an actress, but they both.
Did Andrea sign it?
Nope, she hasn't been here yet since we got this up.
When's the last time she was here?
I don't know when the last time she was in our office was. I normally just see her at events.
So we just came to the Grove because that's where everyone goes apparently. What?
I mean, everyone does come here eventually.
I hope that there's stores here that we don't have at home. So we're just walking around the Grove. Sam just got a phone case at the Apple store because he hasn't had one on his phone. I don't think since you bought it, right?
No.
How long have you had it?
At least more than 4 months.
I was gonna say, you've had it since before we went to New York, and he has a crack down the back from dropping it, so I've been nagging him about getting a phone case. We finally got one. Let's go into Banana Republic. Both of us always have really good luck there. Okay, so we just came to, is it Loderay? Is that how you pronounce it?
I think so.
The macaroon place. I don't know. I didn't know that they had them over here, and we actually went to the one that was in New York, but we didn't vlog it, I don't think. So we just got some macaroons. We are obsessed with macaroons. Anytime that we're somewhere that has them, we always get some. So I'm really excited, and these are definitely the best ones that I've ever had. So I'm really, really excited, and of course I want to get a picture for Instagram. But yeah, these are so good. They're expensive though. I don't know. So we showered and got cleaned up, and we are gonna go see a comedy show. And I want to show you guys what I'm wearing tonight because I haven't shown you my outfits in a really long time. So I decided to just leave my hair natural tonight because it's been really rainy, and I just feel like it's been pointless every time I've used heat on my hair. So I'm just letting it air dry, which I don't do very frequently. And then for my outfit, I'm wearing these big statement earrings. These are from J. Crew Factory, but I got them last summer. I know that you can find earrings like this from brands like Bauble Bar though. And then my sweater I just got at Banana Republic when we were shopping in the Grove today. It's so soft and it has sort of like the big sleeves, which I like. And then I'm just wearing dark wash skinny jeans and my Tory Burch sandals. And I'm kind of nervous to wear these because it's been rainy and I don't want them to get ruined, but I think that they look the best. We're gonna go get some In-N-Out for dinner. My first In-N-Out, like if you go to LA and you don't go to In-N-Out, you pretty much didn't even go to LA. So yeah, we're gonna go get some dinner.
Guest number 85, please. 85.
Can you record me taking my first In-N-Out bite ever?
86.
Here's stuff over to the side. Alright.
You dig?
I did. I was waiting for the employee to walk away that this was not an hour of waiting. Because they screwed up our order twice. It's good. Oh, my hair is crazy. We waited so long for that food, and then they messed up our order, and then we finally got our food, and they didn't even give me my milkshake, so then we had to wait for them to get the milkshake, and by the time we ate, it was cold, and then I was just kind of a mess. I got sauce everywhere. And I don't know.
Brand new.
Yeah, on my new sweater. There's not a lot. You probably can't even see it. But I don't know. My first impression of In-N-Out is that it's not worth the wait. I would definitely, like, I'm gonna go back at some point.
I would say after 20 minutes, it's like not worth the wait.
Yeah.
It was just the wait though, that was the problem.
Yeah, like I said, I'll go back and like, I work in retail and I know that stuff happens. So like, I'm not really like holding them accountable for it. Like I'm not gonna, or like I'm not holding this against them, but it was just kind of annoying. But what can you do? But anyways, we're gonna go see a comedy show tonight. And I think I told you guys that earlier, but I've never been to one. All right guys, so we made it back to our Airbnb. The comedy show was actually like so funny. That was the first time that I went to one, but I would totally do it again. So I'm really happy that we went, and it was like really inexpensive too compared to a lot of other things that you can do in LA. So yeah, I'm really glad that we did that, but it's like midnight and we're tired and we're gonna go to bed. And yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm probably gonna start like a new one tomorrow. I know that like I've just kind of been continuously vlogging. I haven't really edited yet, so I don't know if this is going on with tomorrow, if this was its own vlog, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.